What's up, gig workers? Welcome back to the channel. And if this is your first time here and you want to watch more video of different kind of gig apps, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button down below. So today I'll be working Uber Eats and Skip the Dishes from 11:45 to 3:45. Actually, I put my availability for Skip the Dishes from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. but they give me 11:45 to 3:45. I don't like that shift. Anything after 2 p.m. orders kind of decline. Not many people order food after 2 p.m. But we'll give it a try. So it's going to be a 4-hour shift with Uber Eats and Skip the Dishes. So come along for the ride and stick around to the end because I always do the breakdown of the tips and how much I made per hour. The time is 11:44. Uber, you're online. Skip the Dishes, matching orders. So I got first one from Uber, $5.43, 3.5 kilometers, Tim Hortons. I'll accept that. $5.43. So on my way to drop off the Tim Hortons, I got another order from Uber Eats. $5.86, 4 kilometers, and this is a Popeyes order. You guys know how Uber Eats work. You're on the way to deliver one and then you send your next one. So I'm still paused on Skip the Dishes. Guys, it's 12:43, so it's close to 1 hour since I started, and I'm at $11.29 for Uber, 0 order for Skip the Dishes. I'm just gonna drive to a different location because this area it gets slow after 1 p.m. I'm just gonna go to close to Polo Park. There's a big mall there and downtown area, right? Because I got a shitty shift from Skip the Dishes, 11:45 to 3:45. There's not lots of people order food after 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, right? Let's see if my odds are better in a different zone. So I finally get an order from Skip the Dishes, $7, 5.6 kilometers. Skip the Dishes have the cheapest customer from my experience. So I have another order from Skip the Dishes, $7, 3.7 kilometers. That's a pretty good one, only 3 kilometers. So this McDonald's always take a long time. Let's time them and see how long it takes. Right now it's 1:28. It says collect at 1:30. 1:30. Thank you. Right on time. Wow. Yeah, the McDonald's order was $3.49, and then it was a top up of $1.51, and customer tip $2. Told you, Skip the Dishes customer really cheap. It's gonna be $2, $2, $2, $1, $1. What's up, guys? I'll give you an update. 1:46, and Uber, I'm still at 11:29. Nobody tip. Oh my goodness. I'm at $14 with Skip the Dishes. This one is $7, 3.5 kilometers. Thai Express. Is this in Polo Park? I don't like to go in the mall. Yeah, I said earlier, Skip the Dishes customer the cheapest. I guess it's Uber. I don't know. Yeah, it's in the food court, Polo Park Mall. This customer is 5 minutes away, 3.1 kilometers. Swipe to deliver. Whoa, another one came in. This one is $7, 1.8. Another $7. $7, $7. Triple sevens. Last year I only had 2 order that's $14. All the rest is $7, $8, $9. Not too many big orders. Not too many big tips. The last payout from Thai Express, the restaurant that was in the mall. Transit pay is $3.49. Top up was 34 cents, and customer tip $3.17. That's pretty good. It's pretty awesome. That's the only customer that tipped over $3. That was fast. Pretty good. I like when all the restaurants are fast like that. Keep it going. I don't want to get bored sitting doing nothing. Ooh, another one. This restaurant is 3 minutes away. Mary Brown chicken. You guys ever tried that chicken? Comment down below if you tried that. So I log in back to Uber Eats. That 2 order that I had earlier, customer didn't tip. Yuck. So this one is Uber Eats, $6.39, 5.9 kilometers. So this is $7.54, 4.9 kilometers. I'm back to the location where I said it's a mall, Polo Park Mall. So the A&W is just right across the road there. It's like a minute away. And this order going downtown, and it's an apartment building. So I'm at the drive-thru waiting here for the A&W order. We'll see how long it's gonna take. That was fast anyway. Yeah, I dropped that food off. Customer living at 16th floor, all the way to the end of the hall. I'll give you guys a little tour of Winnipeg, downtown Winnipeg. Yeah, that's just part of it. There's more on the other side. I'm driving away, so there's less building, less high rise as I drive away. If I go Main and Portage, there's more to see. So this is Skip the Dishes, $7, 2.9 kilometers. So the time is 3:50. My shift has ended. So I work for 4 hours with Skip the Dishes and Uber Eats. And I work in the slowest time of the day. I want to do a 4 hours with Skip the Dishes only. But then because of the time slot, I think it's not going to be worth it because it's going to be slow. I need a backup. At least Uber Eats as a backup. So I want to thank you guys for watching. If you made it this far, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. And stay tuned for the summary. There's a few tips have to come in for Uber Eats. The first 2 orders was no tip. And then I had 2 more. I think there's a tip have to come in there. Don't expect to be making $20 an hour if you're working from 12 to 4, right? As I said before, that's the slowest time of the day. And I give it a try and see how much we make, right? There's no sugar coating over this. Just tell you the way it is, right? So stay tuned, okay? Hello guys, welcome back. And this is the summary. I'll start with Uber Eats. I had 4 delivery with Uber Eats and only one person tip, $5.70. Wow, that was very disappointed. Out of 4 orders, only one person tipped. Uber should start showing us our tip included before we accept the order. I had 6 delivery with skip the dishes. That's equal $42. Transit pay was $22.24. Top up was $7.59. And the tip is $12.17. You can see all of them are $7. $7, $7, $7. Rarely you find a big order on skip the dishes. I have no idea why is that. As I said earlier, are the customer really cheap on skip the dishes, or the platform is not promoting good tips? They need to do a better job of promoting more tips to help the drivers. So the total between skip the dishes and Uber Eats is $72.93. Minus $5 for gas equals $67.93 divided by 4 hours equal $16.98 per hour. To be honest, that's pretty good for that time slot, 12 to 4. I didn't expect to make that much per hour. I was thinking probably around $13 an hour. But I'll take that and I'll take it to the bank. So I want to thank you guys again for watching the video. If you made it this far, don't forget to subscribe. Stay healthy, stay wealthy. Peace out.